Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you.
Promise to love you forever.
Would it be if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a
Take thee, Jacqueline, to be my wedded wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part.
For I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes.
Jacqueline, will thou have Norbell to be thy wedded husband, to live after God's ordinance in the holy state of matrimony, where thou love him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all other men, keep thee only unto him, so long as ye both shall live.
Yes, Pastor.
For